Now don't jump to conclusions. Just because you watch this video doesn't mean other people will. Help out by leaving a thumbs up and a comment.
Gosh, jump to conclusions.
Meaning of the English idiom, jump to conclusions. Also used, leap to conclusions and jump to the wrong conclusions. To jump to conclusions means to quickly form an opinion before learning or considering all the facts. To judge something before having all the facts. To form an opinion about something before you have all the information or have considered all of the evidence. To make a decision before considering all the pros and cons. Or to guess the facts of a situation based on inadequate information. Usage notes. To jump to conclusions has the connotation of forming a wrong opinion or making a bad decision because of being too hasty and not weighing all the facts and information. Examples of use. Don't jump to conclusions. She may just be busy. Wait a day or so and she'll probably call you. You don't have to jump to conclusions every time you have a sore throat. It could just be a minor cold. He had a skin cancer scare, so now every time he sees a spot on his skin, he jumps to conclusions. We can't jump to any conclusions, but it looks like an indictment is on the horizon. It's hard not to leap to conclusions when someone is acting so suspicious. Let me tell you my side of the story before you leap to conclusions. I know I shouldn't jump to conclusions, but you have to admit that he seems depressed again. Origin of idiom. This idiom has been used since around 1700. The idiom uses the word jump in the sense of to act in an impulsive way, as in to jump to someone's defense, or to omit or skip over something and pass to a further point or stage in a process.